In today's video, I'm going to show you how to try Beehiiv newsletter for free, step by step, so you can get your publication set up quickly and start sending newsletters without confusion. If you've been thinking about launching a newsletter, or you just want to test Beehiiv before committing to a paid plan, this guide will walk you through the entire process from sign up to publishing your first email. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is go to Beehiiv's website. Open your browser and search for Beehiiv, or type the website directly into the address bar. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to look around so you can see the platform you'll be working with. Beehiiv is designed for creators, writers, and businesses that want to build and grow an email newsletter, so everything starts from this main dashboard experience. Next, look for the Start Trial button or the Sign Up option. Depending on what Beehiiv is showing at the moment, you may see one of these buttons right away. Click the one that gets you started. This will take you into the account creation process, where you'll begin setting up your newsletter platform. Now it's time to create your account. You'll usually be asked for basic details like your email address, a password, and possibly some information about how you plan to use Beehiiv. Fill in each field carefully and make sure your details are correct, especially your email address, because you'll need it in the next step. If you already have a Google sign-in option available, you can use that as a faster method, but either way, the goal here is to get your account created successfully. After you sign up, Beehiiv will usually ask you to verify your email address. Go to your inbox, find the verification message from Beehiiv, and click the confirmation link inside. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder just in case. This step is important because it confirms your account and lets you move forward with your publication setup. Once your email is verified, Beehiiv may give you the option to choose the free launch plan or start a free trial. If your goal is to try Beehiiv newsletter for free, this is where you'll select the option that lets you get started without paying upfront. Take a moment to review the plan details so you understand what's included. The free launch plan is a great way to test the platform, build your audience, and explore the core features before upgrading later if you want more advanced tools. Now you'll need to enter your newsletter name. This is the name people will see when they subscribe to your publication, so choose something clear, memorable, and relevant to your content. If you already have a brand name or topic in mind, use that here. If not, keep it simple and choose a name that reflects what your newsletter is about. Once you enter the name, continue to the next step. After that, you'll set up your publication. Beehiiv will guide you through the basic publication details so your newsletter has its own identity. This may include your publication title, description, and other setup options that help your newsletter look professional from the start. Take your time with this section because these details help define how your newsletter appears to readers and subscribers. Next, it's time to customize your website and sign-up page. This is one of the most useful parts of the setup because it helps your newsletter look branded and trustworthy. You can usually adjust the colors, logo, layout, and messaging so the page matches your style. Make sure your sign-up page clearly explains what people will get when they subscribe. A strong sign-up page can make a big difference in how many visitors turn into subscribers, so keep it clean, simple, and focused. Once your website and sign-up page are ready, you can create your first newsletter. This is where Beehiiv starts feeling like a real publishing tool. Open the editor and begin drafting your content. You can add a subject line, write your message, and format it so it looks polished and easy to read. If this is your first newsletter, keep it straightforward and welcoming. Introduce yourself, explain what the newsletter is about, and give your audience a reason to stay subscribed. When your newsletter is ready, click Publish. This step makes your content live and prepares it for delivery. Before publishing, always double-check your text, links, and formatting so everything looks correct. A quick review can save you from sending mistakes to your subscribers. Once everything looks good, go ahead and publish your newsletter. Finally, send the newsletter to your subscribers. Depending on your setup, this may happen automatically after publishing, or you may need to choose a send option. Either way, make sure your audience receives the newsletter the way you intended. If you're just starting out and don't have many subscribers yet, that's completely fine. The important thing is that your newsletter is now live and ready to grow. And that's how to try Beehiiv newsletter for free, set up your publication, customize your sign-up page, and send your first newsletter. It's a simple process once you know the steps, and now you can explore the platform with confidence. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.